Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions or subtitles within your videos on Inshot. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Inshot application on your device, and once you open it up, you can work on any new project or continue editing from any of your old ones within your draft. Once you have opened up your project and added your media files, if you wish to add subtitle or captions, simply tap on the text option. This will now show you various different texts. You can tap on the captions option in order to auto-generate your captions, and this will now begin to auto-generate the captions based on the audio that is spoken within your video. Tap on the start button and choose your language if you wish, and once you tap on start, you can either use your license or watch an ad to unlock 1 minute for free. You may also manually add your captions by tapping on the text layer, adjust its duration, and double tap in order to edit your text. After typing in your subtitle or your caption text, you can also choose the fonts as well as the color. After choosing your desired fonts and your color, you can also choose the text size, the alignment, or the line spacing, and the width of your text. Once you have set all of your desired options, tap on the tick mark to apply your changes. And now you may repeat this process throughout the entire video to add your captions. But it is always better to use the auto caption feature even if you have to watch an ad. Once you are done adding all of your captions, tap on the tick mark, and then you may proceed forward with exporting your video. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add captions or subtitles within your video on Inshot. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.